Hi guys, so back in about January of this year I built this wonderful Warhammer 40k chess set, and as you can see it lights up, you can change the colours on it, lovely sort of board to use. And yeah, this Warhammer 40k chess set was something I'd kind of wanted to build ever since, well, starting this channel I guess. And if you've been a recent follower or a follower for a while, you'll know it's only recently I've actually got into and love painting miniatures. I've always loved making things, and especially terrain pieces, and painting them. But yeah, it's only the last, well, since the slapchop painting technique sort of came out, that yeah, I love painting miniatures, which is why I finally managed to get round to be able to make one of these. So I say, I've had this for a while now, but like all things, I run out of room where I am. So yeah, I've had this for a while. It's been down at Chaos Cards down in Folkestone for a good few months, so a lot of people have seen it down there. But yeah, so I am now putting this on eBay. So if you want to get your hands on a Warhammer 40k chess set, as you can see, it's a good old Orks v Space Marines. Yeah, head on to my eBay, there's a link down below, and yeah, if you want this, bid for it. As I say, I absolutely loved making this, and there's probably a fair chance I'm going to make another Warhammer 40k chess set at some stage. Whether it'll look like this, probably not, because I like to make things look a little bit different each time. And yeah, it probably won't be Space Marines v Orks, it'll be, well, something else completely different. But yeah, so thoroughly enjoyed making this, so it's on eBay, and basically any money I make from this, well, I kind of use that to buy more and more bits. As you can see, obviously all the bits are magnetised, so the pieces don't fall off when this is moved or jogged or whatever. But yeah, okay guys, the link down below if you want to see how this was sort of made. Yeah, go click the link and watch it, and well, enjoy. Okay guys, that's kind of it. I'm just doing a bit of self-promotion here. Well, why not? Yeah, you guys all take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.